Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel, welcome to Lab Edition. In this video I'm going to quickly talk about reset stories of the iOS devices, especially any iPad or any iPhone. If you have any problem regarding your display or your keyboard layout, network settings, or the keyboard, the iPad iOS is not operating properly and you can see some sluggish. And this iPad I did actually, so there's no lags or there's no freezing story in this iPad. So in case if you're having any problem with the display, with the network, or with the keyboard, or you need to reset the tablet, before you do that, don't delete everything or don't reset to factory default settings. It will delete everything, but my point is that you must try all the other options. There are some tricks that it will help you, and then you don't need to reset the whole tablet. For example, if you go into the journal and in the transfer and reset of iPad, here you can see reset and erase all content and the settings. So in the reset, if you click on the reset, you will find these settings: reset all settings, reset network settings, subscriber services, reset keyboard dictionary, and the home screen layout, location and privacy. So you can try one by one all of these. Let's say if you're having a problem with the network settings, you can try reset network settings. Basically it's gonna reset all your network settings including your Wi-Fi. If you're connected to any known Wi-Fi, then it's gonna reset the network settings and you will lose the password of that Wi-Fi, so you have to enter the password again. And if you have any problem with the keyboard dictionary and you want to reset that, you can reset this keyboard dictionary from here. And subscriber services, and here reset all settings, you can try reset all settings, so it's gonna reset all the settings to the default. And the last option is reset location and privacy and screen home layout, including your wallpaper and everything. So it will reset your screen home layout. So before you go for this option, erase all content and settings, what you can do, you can try all of these one by one, and then it might sort your problem out. Actually in my case, and I have done so many times, it will sort your problem out, including this reset all settings. It will definitely help, and then you don't need to delete everything, reset the whole iPad or iPhone. You don't even have to do it sometimes. So what you can do, you can try one by one. Or the second option is you can connect to the computer, you can use 3U tools. 3U tool is one of the best tool. It's not from Apple, but it works very well. I normally use 3U tool, and it's better than actually iTunes. It works much better than the iTunes. So you can use 3U tool also to sort out these small problems without deleting any app or any of your personal information from your iPad or from your iPhone. So try these tricks. Or you can, as I discussed in a previous video, that you can force restart of your tablet using the power button and the home button. So you can try these options before you delete anything from your iPad or from your iPhone. So try these options. Thank you.